Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to generate the emulator using the emulator on Key Tool Max, like this one. As you can see, it's working like a regular fob. Lock it, and lock, and unlock. And I'm going to tell you what's the purpose of this. Alright, let's get to it. Alright guys, so this one I'm going to show you is how to generate the emulator and how to use it with this the Xhorse Key Tool Max. I'm gonna give you an example of this for 2005 Honda Pilot that I have. If you're making the key a remote fob, you know that you have to find the FCC number for this, so you'll be able to generate it and the right one, because not all cars are the same FCC number. If you don't have those information, it's hard to find the proper one and it won't work. And like this one, this is the original we have. You can lock and unlock. If you're making an aftermarket remote key, and I'll show you another flip key. I'm gonna show you right here. That one, you will need to find the right FCC ID. If you don't have a book to find it, this is the way to find the right one. First, we're going to go to remote cloud recognition. Okay. And then from here, we're going to do sniff. Let's go start. Press start. Then this is just a remote key. Then it says press the lock button. Press another one. And it's a third one. There you go. So it's identifying what kind of remote it is. So this is the right remote for that. This one. But of course, we want to make sure if it's the right one. You can use this one, the flip key. You can use a XK wires. That's the wired one, the wireless blue, and the XC wireless. But before we program that to the flip key or whatever to generate it, let's test it if that's the right one. So this one is the generate emulator. Let's press that one. This one will emulate the actual key fob. As this one, right now, if I have it right here, you won't hear anything. It's not locking or unlocking right now. It's not, you have to program it still. Nothing, it's not doing anything. See that? I pressed it right here. And this one, there you go. So we're gonna program that first. Let's act it as a regular fob that we're gonna program. So for all Hondas, most Honda, you're just gonna go to from 0 position to second position. This is first and the second. So we're gonna do that on position and off. Every time you go to on position, you press the lock button. All right, let's do that with this emulator we have. So on, press lock until it says it beep, green. Off again. On, press lock, it beep. Wait for that till you get the operation success. Off, then on again. Press lock button again. Wait till green. This might be the last one. Off and on. Did you hear that? You heard that move. Then I like to do it unlock again. There you go. That's program. So we can actually move this. So this one is programmed already. So let's go lock it. There you go. It locks. Unlock. Lock. Unlock. See. There you go. I don't have a trunk button because it's a AutoPurlieu. But let's try the alarm. Yeah, the alarm doesn't really work in this one, huh? But unlock. Oh, well, we gotta do lock first. Lock. Let's try alarm. So it doesn't really do anything with the alarm, but we know this is the right one. Let's try with the original we have. Oh, this one I have to reprogram this again. I forgot. Every time you do program remote, you have to do it both at the same time, so you won't lose it. Let's do it again. I'm gonna do it fast for you guys. On, lock, on, lock, on, lock, on, lock. There you go. Then press this one too. There you go. Lock. There you go. That all works right now. Let's do it again. Lock, unlock. So you got panic. So I don't really have a panic, we know. But you see my point here. We're gonna go unlock again. There you go. There you go. So that's good. So this one here, this is the right FCC we have, so we can generate it to the new key or fob we're gonna be doing. Go back and you can go generate here. If you have a wired one, you gotta put the wire cable underneath here and do your fob remote. Wireless, you gotta put the battery and put it in the coil. And if you want to see that how it's done, you can go ahead to my my other videos, AutoPurlieu, my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video, and you will see a bunch of video there that will help you how to use this tool right here. This is the Key Tool Max. I like this one. I love this one. It'll make you a different kind of key remote, program it. That's it, guys. If you have any question, you can go ahead, comment and ask me some question, even not related to this specific car. But this one is a 2005 Honda Pilot, and I hope you liked the video. And till the next video, thank you, guys.